Eve, December the 24th, 2007. And Cord gets to open one big present.
What could it be, Cord?
Okay. What is it?
Cord, something you picked out?
It's a camcorder!
Camcorder.
Is it just what you wanted?
Yes!
Okay, show it so Papa can get it.
What kind is it, Cord?
Tell Papa what kind it is.
Panasonic?
A Panasonic!
Wow.
And
see what else is in the bag. What is that?
What is it, Cord? Tripod?
It's a tripod, yes.
Oh.
Okay, there's something else in the bag.
Tripod for the camcorder?
And a case.
Carry case. That's nice, Cord. What kind is that? Is that a digital camcorder?
Yes, it's a digital camcorder.
Wow.
This is what Cord's been wanting. He saw it at Best Buy.